Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In this tutorial we explain how to easily install and run Llama 3.1 large language model or LLM in Ubuntu Linux from the command line on a local machine. For those of you who are not familiar with LLMs and with Llama, Llama 3.1 is Meta's or Facebook's most capable large language model up to date. It is super powerful. In this tutorial, we will use Llama 3.1 model with around 8 billion parameters. However, you can also try to install larger models having, for example, 70 billion parameters or even 405 billion parameters. This model having 405 billion parameters is very powerful. You can tell us your experiences of running these models in the comment section below. To install Llama 3.1, we will use Ollama. Ollama is an interface for running large language models in Windows, Linux, and Mac computers. You can integrate Ollama with a number of LLMs such as Llama 3.1, Llama 2, mistral-nemo, mistral-large, etc. Furthermore, you can integrate Ollama with RAGFlow and create an advanced personal assistant and a chat assistant that can help you with your work, research, or daily tasks. So here are the prerequisites. First of all, you need to have Linux Ubuntu. We tested the installation on Ubuntu 22.04 and it works well. Then you need to have a solid GPU to generate responses in more or less real time. We tested Llama 3.1 on NVIDIA 39 GPU with 23 GB VRAM. However, Llama can also work on CPU only. However, we didn't test it. Then you need to have sufficient RAM memory. We discovered that RAM computer memory also matters. Our computer has 48 GB RAM memory. However, you can probably run Llama on computers with only 16 GB of RAM memory. Okay, let's immediately start. First of all, click here and search for terminal. And then I will resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing. First, we have to make sure that our computer allows for inbound connections on this port 11434. To do that, we need to run this. Here it is. And enter your password. Good. Okay, now to install Ollama in Linux Ubuntu, we need to open a terminal and we need to type this. This will actually not install Llama 3.1, instead it will install Ollama, and Ollama is a necessary interface for running Llama 3.1. So run this curl, specify this parameter over here and specify the address. And what will happen behind the scene, you're going to actually run the script on this website. And let's do it. Press enter and this will take some time. So be patient, maybe 15 seconds max. Cool. After this process completes, you will see this NVIDIA GPU installed, and this is super nice since this program automatically recognizes my GPU. However, in your case, if you don't have a GPU, you will see something like CPU detected or something similar. Okay, the next step is to verify that actually Ollama is running. Namely, what happened now is that Ollama installed itself and it's running in the background, and this is super interesting. Basically, you will have a program running in the background of your computer. So let's verify that actually this program is running, and the best way is actually to try to access this address from your web browser. So open your favorite browser. In my case it's Brave, however some people like something else, such as for example Firefox, and here in the address bar just type this localhost and press enter. And if you see Ollama is running, this means that Ollama is running on your computer and you created a good installation of Ollama. Next, we need to download and to install Llama 3.1 model. Consequently, over here in the address box or in the search bars, type this website. Okay, this will lead you to Ollama web page, and it's a library. And over here you can actually see basically at the top Llama 3.1. If you don't see Llama 3.1, just go here and search for library, and over here you can see all the models, and simply search for Llama and you will get Llama over here. So click here, and over here you need to select your model. Over here you can select the size of the model. Okay, I'm going to select 8 billion parameter model. However, you can also play with some other models such as 70B or 400 billion. And you can see how much space you need on your disk. This model is relatively small, but however, this is still large. 5 gigabyte on your computer is large. So click here. And how do we install the model? We simply need to copy this command, then go back to our terminal and just run this. So what will happen? We are going to download the model, and what will happen next? We are going to run the model at the same time. So do this, and you need to be patient. Since this will take some time, you can see the installation progress over here. Probably it's going to take around maybe even 3-4 minutes to install everything. After approximately 2 or 3 minutes, I can see this nice prompt over here. This means that Ollama started our Llama 3.1 model. And let's try to test this model by typing, "Who are you?" Let's see. I'm an artificial intelligence model known as Llama. Perfect. Llama stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. Good. Are you smarter than me? In some ways, oh nice. Let's see. In some ways, I can process and analyze vast amounts of information quickly and accurately. I've been trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, books, and other sources, which allows me to, and then you can see good. So let's give, for example, a question, how to solve a quadratic equation. And let's test this model and let's see. And let's see what is the answer. Okay, so this is basically a reasonable answer and it looks accurate, right? And it also gives a quadratic formula for solving the quadratic equation. Perfect. Okay, now to exit Ollama and Llama, you simply need to type bye over here. And that's it, we are out. Now let's see what are the models that are currently installed on our system. To do that, you simply type Ollama list, and here they are. We can see this model, and we can see the size of the model, and we can see when it's being modified 2 minutes ago. Next, to run this model from a new terminal, let's close this terminal, let's open a new terminal. You can simply go here, and remember, Llama is resident. That is, it's running in the background. And to run the model, again, just type Ollama list to see the models you have, and just type Ollama, run, and the name of the model. Simple as that. Nothing special. And here it is. We are back. What is your favorite color? Let's see. I don't have favorite color. I'm designed to be neutral and don't have personal preference. Ah, this is boring. What is your IQ? Okay, good. Perfect. Another important thing to learn is where Ollama stored our Llama 3.1 model. This is very, very important. So let's learn how to find the location of the model. To find the location of the model on our local disk, first of all, we need to install plocate. Plocate is a nice tool for searching files and folders on your system. Then I will update the database of plocate such that I can use plocate. And over here, type this, plocate, search for Llama. And let's see what is written over here. Nothing special. I cannot see any models folder. To actually see the model folder, you need to call plocate with sudo and specify Ollama here. Why do you need sudo? Well, because Ollama for some reason stores models somewhere where an ordinary user cannot see them. So let's run this, and you can see a list over here. So where are the models? So go all the way here, and you will see this folder models. It's in user share Ollama, and there is a secret folder called .ollama, and models are stored there. So let's go to that folder. To go to that folder, first of all, you need to type this to be root, and then you simply can cd or change directory to this folder, and over here you can see the blobs and manifests folders that contain the model. To see them better, simply start Nautilus. This is your file explorer for Ubuntu, and over here you can see under the blobs you can see the downloaded model. And how do you know that it's a model? When if you click on the properties, that's 4.7 gigabytes. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe.